Trinkets are small decorative objects that can add some personality and charm to your living room. They can be anything from souvenirs, figurines, candles, vases, books, plants, or art pieces. Trinkets can reflect your hobbies, interests, memories, or passions. They can also create a mood, theme, or atmosphere in your living room. They make the living room more inviting, cozy, and interesting. They also tell a story about who you are, what you love, and where you've traveled. Hi everyone, Lulu here. So if you want to learn how to decorate with trinkets in your living room, just keep on watching. I'm going to share with you 30 creative and inspiring ways to incorporate trinkets into your living space to add personality and charm. From vintage trinket boxes to unique sculptures, we'll guide you through the process of creating a stylish and inviting atmosphere in your home. Get ready to transform your living room with these beautiful decorative accents. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. We post new videos every week covering different styles, trends, and themes for your home. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. We would love to hear from you and know what you think. So without further ado, let's get into it. So, as I already said, trinkets are small decorative items that can add personality and charm to any room. Whether you have a traditional, modern, or eclectic style, trinkets can be the perfect finishing touch for your living room decor. One idea for incorporating trinkets in your living room is to create a gallery wall. Mix and match different trinkets such as frame artwork, vintage plates, and small sculptures to create a visually appealing display. This is a great way to showcase your unique style and add interest to a blank wall. Another way to decorate with trinkets is to use them as bookshelves or mantle decor. Arrange trinkets of varying height and size to create visual interest and balance. You can mix in items such as candles, vases, and small plants to create a cohesive look that reflects your personal style. Lastly, don't be afraid to get creative with your trinket displays. Consider using unexpected items such as vintage cameras, decorative boxes, or unique souvenirs from your travels. These personal touches will make your living room feel truly unique and special. Here are some tips on how to decorate with trinkets in your living room. Choose trinkets that match your living room's color scheme, style, and vibe. Arrange your trinkets in groups of odd numbers such as 3, 5, or 7. Mix and match different types of trinkets to create a dynamic and eclectic look. Don't overdo it. Too many trinkets can make your living room look cluttered and chaotic. Instead, choose a few focal points where you can display your trinkets, such as a coffee table, a bookcase, or a fireplace. Leave some space between your trinkets and other items to create a sense of order and clarity. And that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video on how to decorate with trinkets in the living room. I think trinkets are such a fun and easy way to add some personality and charm to your living room. They can make your living room more inviting, cozy, and interesting. They can also tell a story about who you are, what you love, and where you've been. I would love to see how you decorate with trinkets in your own living room, so please share your photos with me on Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook. You can also leave me a comment below and let me know what you think of this video. We always love to hear from you and see your amazing creations. Thank you so much for watching this video and supporting our channel. We really appreciate it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. We upload a new video every week, so stay tuned for more tips and tricks on how to make your home more beautiful and cozier. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!